All right, let's cut to the chase. You're thinking about investing, right? Maybe you've heard of Nutmeg, this shiny new investment platform promising easy money and financial freedom. But hold on a sec, is it really as good as it sounds? That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? Now, I know what you're thinking. Why should I listen to some random YouTuber about my money? Fair enough. I'm not a financial advisor, and this isn't financial advice. But I am someone who's done their homework, someone who's been down the rabbit hole of online investing, and someone who's willing to share the good, the bad, and the ugly. Let's talk about Nutmeg. On the surface, it looks pretty appealing. It's user-friendly, offers automated investing, and promises to tailor a portfolio to your risk tolerance. Sounds great, right? But let's dig a little deeper. One of the biggest selling points of Nutmeg is its simplicity. It's designed with the average person in mind, someone who doesn't want to spend hours poring over financial data. That's a huge plus for many people. But simplicity comes at a price. And in this case, that price is fees. Nutmeg charges a management fee, which is basically a percentage of your investment. While it might not seem like much, those fees can add up over time. So, while you're saving yourself the hassle of picking individual stocks or bonds, you're also paying for that convenience. Another thing to consider is the performance. Past performance is not indicative of future results, but it's still something to look at. How has Nutmeg performed compared to other investment platforms or the overall market? Has it consistently beaten the market? Or has it just kept pace? These are questions you need to answer. Now, don't get me wrong, Nutmeg might be a great option for some people. If you're a beginner investor who wants a hands-off approach, it could be a good fit. But if you're looking to maximize your returns and are willing to put in the time and effort, you might want to explore other options. It's crucial to understand that investing involves risk. There's no guarantee that you'll make money. In fact, you could lose money. So, before you invest a single penny, make sure you understand the risks involved. And always do your own research. Don't just rely on what you see on YouTube or read on Reddit. So, is Nutmeg a good investment? The answer, as with most things in life, is it depends. It depends on your financial goals, your risk tolerance, and your investment horizon. There's no one-size-fits-all answer. To sum it up, Nutmeg offers a convenient way to invest, but it comes with fees. Performance can vary, and investing always involves risk. So, weigh the pros and cons carefully before making a decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Remember, your financial future is in your hands, so treat it with care.